being taxed as an S corp?
There is, to be honest with you, Jordan, there in some states that does make some sense. It depends on some of the state laws when it refers to LLCs and S corporations. Sometimes S corporations are, because an S corporation, if it's set up directly to start that way, is a corporation at heart. All it is, it's a corporation that is elected to be taxed as an S corporation, which means two things. One, it files its own return, and two, the income flows through and is taxed at the individual tax return level. So an S corporation doesn't pay its own tax. All it does is the income flows through based on your ownership percentage to your individual tax return. That's where it gets taxed, right? So now, in some states, LLC laws are different, and some LLC laws are a little challenged in some states. So in some states, an S corporation is directly a corporation, which has been around for eons and has great liability protection, where LLCs in some states have some struggles with liability protection. In those states, maybe an S corporation, just a corporation directly and electing to be an S corporation, would make some sense to start out that way. You're right. There are some states and some particular situations where that would be most appropriate.
Yeah, awesome. And now, just kind of as a reminder, we're talking from the tax perspective. But
Right.
is there a let's say I own multiple laundromats.
Huh?
Is there tax wise, is there a benefit to own them all in one or own each one in a separate one?
Great question. The answer is, from a tax perspective, no.